going on, guys? Hey, it's Anthony here at the Breakout Daily. Thank you for tuning in, guys. It's mystery mail call time. We have our 2 Comictom101 mystery mail calls. We're going to be diving into these books. We're going to talk about the print counts and everything that we get inside the box. And before we do, though, hit the subscribe button down below. Check us out over on IG at Breakoutdaily. And if you're looking for comic books, check us out on Whatnot. You can also find Comic Tom and a whole gang of other guys over on the Whatnot app if you're looking for comic books. Guys, April mystery mail call. Today, we have several variants we're going to be looking for. We have the Something is Killing the Children, issue 21, the Mask variant by Peach Momoko. There's 2 different versions of this book. We're going to see which ones we get. The first version is the mask draped across with 1,545 copies out there in the world. The unmasked version is, or maskless by Peach Momoko, is down to 1,180. We're going to see which ones we get. We also have some Ben Temple Smith goodness with Alice Ever After. There's 2 versions of this book. The publisher on this is Dynamite. We have the full bore color red version. I'm not sure what they're calling this guy. And it's at 1,335 copies. The blue purple-ish color on this book, Alice Ever After, is limited to 995 copies. We also have, and this is, I think this next one is limited. I'm pretty sure the first 2, I think you'll get. We'll have to look at the little card in the box. But guys, you got the opportunity to also get John Carter of Mars. There's 3 versions of this book available. Purple, which is limited to 810. The cover art is done by Johnny Desjardins. The black and white version, which is limited to 480, and then the red version, which is limited to 275. I believe the John Carter book is not guaranteed in every book or every box, so that means that you may or may not get it. To include some of the throw-ins that happened, there are a couple of big books that they threw into the mixes. We'll see if we get one of those as well. The last book that I believe you are guaranteed is Soultac. You have The Trade, which is a Marvel Presents #1 homage. And that is by Scoot Comics, an imprint of Scout Comics. And the cover art is made by Nate Made It. And then you have the Soultac Undressed, again, a Marvel Presents #1 homage in black and white, different cover, it kind of. Anyways, that is also made by Nate Made It and is limited to 500 on the print count. Guys, let's see what we got. We're going to open this first box up. Again, we got 2 of these boxes. If you guys are interested in these boxes, we have done several of these videos. You can find them at Comictom101. He did just start selling some of these boxes over on Whatnot as well, so you guys can always check them out there. I have had a good experience so far with these boxes. Yeah, let's see what we got here. Of course, you have the Comic Tom box. It's upside down. Let's see what's in the bag this month. There we go. All right, so this is what I was talking about. You have this guy that comes with all of them. If you guys haven't seen this, again, watch some of my other videos. Check out Comictom101. This is kind of the list on it. So it does say April mystery mail call. Something is Killing the Children, 21. So you get either cover A or B. Soultac A or B, which is family friendly, and Alice Ever After A or B. One of each of those books will be located in one of these boxes. Then you have a chance to get a big key like Luke Cage Hero for Hire #1. And then you've got a chance to get the Johnny Desjardins, John Carter of Mars. Another thing that was in all of the boxes, I believe, is the Spider Reggie, the ASM 300 homage little card. It says, new to comics, learn the lingo, with some cool stuff on the back. So you get that as well. Let's dive in and see what we got. And then this is a cool card made by Nate Made It. Again, Moon Knight there. Let's see what we got, guys. Bam, first book off. This must be the throw-in, and that is Beyond the Beyond by Scout Comics. And so that is one of the nice things about some of these packs is you do get random throw-ins. In addition to the books that I already mentioned, we've got a really cool Nate Made It, Doctor Strange. This is 165 of 1500. Little print. We've got Ultimate Marvel Team Up, number 9. Spider-Man and the Fantastic Four, super crispy clean copy. And then let me go back up to the top here so I can tell you which one it is. We have the Something is Killing the Children, issue 21, maskless variant. So this is with a print count of 1180. This is a beautiful cover, though. I do like the cover. It is in a very nice Mylar-esque bag, and the art is, again, done by Peach Momoko. And then, bam, we got another. This is Soultac Undressed. Marvel Presents #1 homage. This is limited to 500 copies. Family-friendly book. Super cool cover. Done by Nate Made It. Let's go back up. And then we also have the Ben Temple Smith Alice Ever After issue #1, limited to 995 copies. Guys, that is box #1. Again, some throw-ins, some limited books, some cool art. It's a win. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, that box is a win. Let's go over to the next one here real quick. We have box #2. We're going to crack this guy open. Okay. So same stuff. Nate Made It. The little thing. The Reggie Collects trading card. Let's see what books we got here, guys. Okay. Another cool print made by Nate Made It. What's the first book? Bam. Sweet. We got the John Carter of Mars Black and White by Johnny Desjardins. This book is limited to 480 copies, and it is absolutely beautiful. Next book is, oh, sweet, a nice crispy copy of Batman 424, which is the issue after the famous Batman 423 by Todd McFarlane. Super, super cool. That's a throw-in. And then we have the Alice Ever After by Ben Temple Smith. The standard, or I'm not sure what you call this one, the A cover. Ben Temple Smith, 1,335 is the print count on this guy. I dig the cover art on this book. And the Something is Killing the Children, the mask variant, 1545 by, again, Peach Momoko. Super cool. And our last book in this stack is the Soultac trade dress right there. Let's see what the print count is. Limited to 3,000. So super, super cool. Guys, again, if you're interested in the mystery mail, call over at Comictom. Go to Comictom101. You guys can sign up for it. It is $35 a month plus shipping. And they do a limited run over on Whatnot as well, kind of a last chance. They just started doing that. So you guys have an opportunity of getting in on these books as well. You can also check out kind of what he's doing for the following month. This is the April mystery mail call. Let me go over to this. Let's go back. So let me go back again. So it looks like he does have for the month of May. These books, the next set of books will ship out the 23rd, and they are doing The Boys #7 reprint exclusive by Ben Temple Smith with 3 virgin variants going out at random. You will get one of the 3. The Boys is clearly a mature title. You'll get a kids comic, and then some the possibility of getting a throw-in book like we saw there. He is showing The Amazing Spider-Man 122 as the hotkey, the death of Green Goblin. That's the lineup for May. Guys, we just went over April. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Guys, don't forget to hit subscribe down below. Check us out over on IG at Breakoutdaily. Check us out on Whatnot at Breakoutdaily. Check out Comictom's mystery mail call books if you're interested. Links are down below. Guys, thank you so much for hanging out with us today, checking out this video, and guess what? We'll catch up with you in the next one.